North Korea's state news agency KCNA said on Monday that North Korea's recent missile tests were designed to simulate showering the South with tactical nuclear weapons as a warning after large-scale Navy drills by South Korean and US forces. The news agency further added that Kim Jong-un, General Secretary of the Workers' Party of Korea and Chairman of its Central Military Commission, guided the military drills on the spot. North Korea fired 2 ballistic missiles early on Sunday, the officials in Seoul and Tokyo said, making it the 7th such launch since 25th September. The test simulated striking military command facilities, main ports and airports in the south, KCNA added. The effectiveness and practical combat capabilities of a nuclear combat force were fully demonstrated as it stands completely ready to hit and destroy targets at any time from any location, KCNA said. North Korea has also denied any dialogue or negotiations with its neighbors. Even though the enemy continues to talk about dialogue and negotiations, we do not have anything to talk about, nor do we feel the need to do so, KCNA quoted Kim as saying. KCNA said that tactical nuclear operations units had conducted 7 launching drills that had allowed North Korea's nuclear forces to display their militant effectiveness and actual war capabilities. Kim has long wanted to develop tactical nukes, which are smaller, lighter weapons designed for battlefield use, and made it a top priority at a key party congress in January 2021. The country revised its nuclear laws last month, envisaging a wide array of scenarios in which it could use its nukes, with Kim declaring North Korea an irreversible nuclear power, effectively ending the possibility of denuclearization talks. Since then, Seoul, Tokyo and Washington have ramped up combined naval exercises, including deploying the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the USS Ronald Reagan, to the area twice, infuriating Pyongyang, which sees the joint drills as rehearsals for invasion. In response, North Korea decided to organize military drills under the simulation of an actual war, the official KCNA reported.